The RAR file type is tighter than a zip file, which is why Windows can't open it natively. You need a specific key to unlock this compression. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the free tool that handles these archives instantly. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier RAR file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. The RAR format adheres to the base protocol used by all compressed archive file files. It uses the WinRAR Compressed Archive format to store its contents. The RAR file is a proprietary archiving system created by Eugene Roshal. Its primary function is distributing massive amounts of data efficiently. Unlike zip, RAR offers advanced features like recovery records and multi-volume archives, splitting one file across many parts. Developed by Eugene Roshal, WinRAR Noinarom. The format is proprietary. The key design feature is the recovery record, which allows the archive to tolerate a certain amount of physical data damage. This system attempts to automatically repair the archive, making it a common choice for sending large files over potentially unreliable networks. The designated application for the RAR file is 7-zip from Igor Pavlov. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows previews only limited details inside the archive, so full extraction depends on third-party utilities. We are looking for the exact software decoder. Right-click the RAR file and select Open With. Use 7-zip if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If you are still having trouble opening the RAR file, do not worry. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the RAR format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, use a third-party extractor. Install a program like WinRAR, WinZip, or 7-zip, as Windows cannot natively extract RAR files. Next, use Extract To. Right-click the RAR file in Explorer and use the extractor program's Extract To function to specify a destination folder. Finally, convert to zip. If sharing or using older software, open the RAR in a program like WinZip and convert the contents to a zip file format. We've already tried the easy routes for your RAR file. When it's still not working, it's time to pivot to a method specifically designed to try and handle stubborn RAR formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the RAR file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions. That's the most efficient fix you'll find online.